You're funny. Do you want to go home? Or you want to go back to Texas? Yeah? Lift your tongue? What's a froggy do? That's right. Catch those flies. What's a lion say? Yeah. You want to go see Calvin? Do you remember Calvin?
Woof woof.
Can you say woof woof like Calvin does? You go see your bed? Oh, get that thumb, so sweet.